Propellers spinning, kicking up a storm of color, cleaning up the playroom mess, we're better than the others. A whirlwind of kinetic power, riding on the breeze. Kai and Bubby taking care of business with some ease. We're turning shores into a supercharged adventure. Yeah, gravity defying, high-tech piece of splendor. Turbo Dust Vortex! Turbo Dust Vortex!
Bubby, the robo cleaner. The mega messy birthday bash. The living room looked like a disaster zone, wrapped in confetti and colored frosting. Earlier that afternoon, the house had been packed with energy. Little Kai and his friends had celebrated their big 4th birthday bash, complete with sticky cake, muddy shoes from backyard games, and a colossal juice spill that had turned the area rug into a colorful tie-dye map. The kids had the absolute time of their lives, but they left behind total chaos. Dad and Mom looked around the wreckage with tired smiles, knowing the cleanup was going to be a massive chore. But they didn't have to lift a finger, because today wasn't just Kai's birthday. It was Bubby's birthday too. Bubby, the high-tech green-armored robot cleaner, rolled out from his charging dock with a cheerful electronic chime. Today was extra special because Bubby had just been upgraded with a sleek set of rotors and his brand new stunt mode. Vrr-pow! With a burst of green flame and a whir of multicolored propellers, Bubby lifted right off the floor, transforming into an airborne cleaning machine. Bubby! Stunt mode! Engaged! Kai cheered, clapping his hands as he pointed at the flying robot. Bubby zipped across the room, his side brushes spinning like a high-speed windstorm. Whoosh! He targeted the muddy footprints trailing down the hallway, deploying a clean water jet that washed the tiles, spotless in seconds. Then, zooming toward the living room, Bubby activated his signature move. Turbo Dust Vortex! Bubby beeped happily. A swirling mini tornado funneled right out of his main compartment, sucking up stray toy blocks, candy wrappers, and confetti bits in a flash. With a satisfying click-clack, his high-powered internal vacuum hose extended out like a mechanical arm, neatly pulling in the last remaining dust bunnies hiding under the couch. In less than 5 minutes, the entire house sparkled. The air smelled fresh, the floors gleamed, and everything was back in its proper place. Bubby hovered down gently, his digital eyes flashing a happy blue smile. Kai ran over, throwing his arms wide open. "Thank you so much, Bubby. That was the coolest thing ever," Kai shouted, his face lighting up. "You saved the whole party." Bubby's internal speakers chimed a warm, friendly melody. He projected a gentle holographic heart into the air and beeped softly. "You're welcome, Kai. Having fun is what birthdays are all about, but taking care of our home together makes it even better. When we keep things clean, we make room for more adventures." Kai grinned, nodding in agreement. Dropping down to his hands and knees, he picked up a stray toy car and popped it into the toy chest. Seeing his robotic best friend work so hard inspired him. Bubby whirred right alongside him, and together, the birthday duo finished tidying up side by side, ready for whatever fun tomorrow would bring. The end.